My name is Ryan with Hop to It Home Services. We specialize in kitchen and bathroom remodeling. One of the things that I think really separates us from a lot of companies is we really try to empathize with our customers, get to know them, and find out how their project can best benefit them. And we really try and tailor each project to our customers' needs to make sure that once we're done with the project, that they'll be happy for as long as they want to stay in that home. As a general contractor, we tend to depend a lot on our subcontractors to really pull off a good job and turn out a good project for our customers. We do a lot of things in-house, but there's certain things that we just don't have the tools, equipment, or know-how to do. One of the services that we tend to subcontract out a lot would be duct cleaning, as well as power washing, gutter cleaning. It's just jobs that we don't have the proper equipment to take care of. One of our favorite companies to use for these types of jobs is Dr. Detail Pro. We like to use them mainly because of the customer service, because they do what they're going to say that they're going to do. And there's a very high level of communication before and during the job so that we know it's going well, even if I don't have any representatives on site to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. They do a great job of taking care of it. And if something pops up unexpected, they will communicate that and let me know what's going on. One of the things that I really appreciate about Dr. Detail Pro is just the level of professionalism when they are doing their work. The guys show up and they're clean, they look professional, and have professional level equipment that they're working with. So you definitely know that they're going to do the job the way that they should. At Hop to It, we wouldn't hesitate to recommend Dr. Detail Pro to either other general contracting companies that are looking for quality subcontractors, or directly to customers to make sure that they're having their job well taken care of.